let's get started. So today we are going to talk about the most beautiful extension ever called the live server. So this extension will make your life really easy, especially if you do things traditionally. So well, most of you, what you guys might be doing right now is what you do is you go into your HTML or CSS or your JavaScript file and you work your code in there, then you save it, then you go inside your browser and use the shortcut, or you just go into this one of these reload buttons and just reload them. Now it might seem convenient for now, but when you have to work for 8 hours a day and every 2 minutes you will have to reload your browser again and again, it might become annoying for you guys too, because it became annoying for me. So what I did is I installed an extension, a very beautiful extension. It's actually called live server. Just go and search in here, and as you can see, I already have installed it. Since my install button is not showing, you guys just have to do is to click the install button. All I am going to do is enable it because I have installed it and disabled it. Now as you can see, the moment I have installed it, this go live button kind of showed over here. I'm going to click it. It's starting, and there you are on the port number 5500 at my local host. This extension started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into my browser. I'm going to make a change in my HTML file, and you guys are going to see as it is instantly reflected inside my browser, so I do not have to reload again. That annoying reloading thing that I had to do every time I make a little change in my code, I do not have to do at all. So it really makes work easier for you guys. So that's it for this video, guys.